Good morning, children. Today's subject is English. Let's sing ABC song. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me? Thank you. Capital letter O. How to write O? Make a big curve and close. O. Phonic sound of O is O, 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 O. O is for orange. O is for owl. O is for octopus. Phonic sounds and actions A to O. Phonic sound of A is eh, eh, eh. Phonic sound of B is b, b. Phonic sound of C is k, 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 k. Phonic sound of D is d, 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 d. Phonic sound of E is eh, eh, eh. Phonic sound of F is phonic sound of G is g, 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 g. Phonic sound of H is phonic sound of I is I, I, I. Phonic sound of J is J, 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 J. Phonic sound of K is C and K phonic sounds are same. Phonic sound of L is L, L. Phonic sound of M is rub your tummy and say mmm, mmm. Phonic sound of N is mm, mm, mm. Make an aeroplane and say mm. Phonic sound of O is O, 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 O. Well done. Good job. Let's sing rhyme. Baba Black Sheep. The title of my poem is Baba Black Sheep. Baba Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. One for the master and one for the dame, and one for the little boy who lives down the lane. Let's watch the video.
Baba Black Sheep. Baba Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. One for my master, one for his dame, and one for the little boy who lives down the lane. Baba Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. One for my master, one for his dame, and one for the little boy who lives down the lane.
Thank you. Thank you. Stay safe and healthy.